During the scientific revolution in the 16th to 17th century, science took over people's traditional religious-centric beliefs. As most philosophy before the revolution focused on religion, the scientific revolution was challenged by multiple controversies. Pioneers in the scientific field like Nicolaus Copernicus, Galileo Galilei, and Isaac Newton were faced with criticism as their discoveries challenged religious doctrines that were also established within the society. However, despite the previous difficulties that these scientists and inventors faced, hundreds of years later, we are now enjoying the fruit of their invention in contemporary society. We can see that the scientific revolution greatly influenced the current technological advancement. The scientist revolution's major implication is the new perception of the world which led to further exploration of science and advancement of technologies. The scientific revolution changed our understanding of the world. It influenced us to become more observant and explore patterns in nature to better understand how it works. With the curiosity that was fueled by the scientific revolution, the scientific field advanced into a more systematic and progressive phenomenon. As a result of this exploration of knowledge, we were able to develop various scientific methods and theories such as chemistry and physics. All of this knowledge was rooted in the scientific revolution, which all led to becoming the basis for creating the inventions in the technological advancement. As the scientific revolution developed various information and theories, we were able to understand better how things work. Hence, we're able to apply the newly discovered knowledge and create inventions that will help resolve current issues and make our lives more convenient. One example of this is the creation of a microscope by Zacharias and Hans Janssen in 1590. Using this invention, we were able to explore the microbiology and other branches of science which later became the foundation of medicine development. Overall, with the scientific revolution, we were able to understand natural phenomena and solve multiple societal problems as we can develop theories and discoveries as supporting data of technologies. Hence, we can conclude that the major influence of the scientific revolution on science, technology, and even society is the understanding of the world, which helped develop tangible and intangible solutions to problems in our society. Can scientific knowledge alone be sufficient in developing the Philippines? Scientific research and development is vital for advancing healthcare in the Philippines by driving innovation in medical treatment and improving public health strategies. It enables the creation of new technologies, enhances disease prevention, and strengthens the healthcare system's ability to respond to local and global health challenges. Additionally, R&D supports evidence-based policymaking to address the country's health inequities and improve overall population health outcomes. Recent innovations in medical technology in the Philippines include the rise of telemedicine platforms like Consulta MD, which expanded access to healthcare during the COVID-19 pandemic, and locally developed diagnostic tools such as the GenAmplify RT-PCR test kits for faster disease detection. These advancements have improved healthcare access and diagnostic accuracy, particularly in underserved areas. Ongoing pharmaceutical R&D efforts in the Philippines, led by institutions like the Philippine Council for Health Research and Development, focus on developing treatment for infectious diseases such as dengue and tuberculosis. Recent breakthroughs include the development of Lagundi-based treatment for COVID-19 symptoms and effort towards locally produced vaccine to enhance the country's drug independence. Evidence-based medicine is crucial for improving healthcare outcomes as it relies on rigorous research to guide clinical decisions of World Health Organization guidelines for tuberculosis treatment and the promotion of Lagundi and Tawa-Tawa as complementary therapies for respiratory and dengue illnesses, respectively. Scientific breakthroughs in the Philippines, such as the development of affordable RT-PCR test kits and innovation in gene sequencing for disease surveillance, have significantly improved public health by enhancing diagnostic capacity and outbreak response. These advancements have led to better healthcare delivery, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic, by allowing for timely detection and treatment. Scientific research and development play a pivotal role in advancing healthcare in the Philippines by driving innovation in diagnostics, treatment, and public health strategies. Evidence-based medicine ensures that healthcare decisions are grounded in reliable data, improving patient outcomes. As scientific breakthrough continues to impact public health, the integration of local research into healthcare policies will be essential for fostering a resilient and inclusive healthcare system that benefits all Filipinos. Did the application of scientific knowledge enhance the welfare of everybody? It has become pivotal in the quality of life, so much so that it has improved numerous sectors of human welfare. One example is in the medical field. Vaccines were developed in the span of 100 years that further improved the health of the people. Vaccines of meningitis I saved that 378,000 lives and prevented twice the amount of the current patients. And child-friendly malaria drug that reduced the fatality rate by 65% since the early 2000s. Furthermore, scientific knowledge made its way in developing new technologies that greatly increased development of agriculture. Another dimension of this discussion involves environmental science and its application. While scientific knowledge has led to innovation in renewable energy and sustainable practices, the consequences of industrialization have often inflicted environmental damage disproportionately or marginalized communities. Cases of pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change frequently affect those who have contributed the least to these problems: low income families, indigenous population, and developing nations. In response, there has been an increasing call for an ethical application of science that prioritizes social equity and environmental justice. The integration of indigenous knowledge systems with scientific research can pave the way for more inclusive solutions that honor the needs and voices of all communities, thereby enhancing welfare more holistically.